didn't have to knock me out, but I'm still holding the throne. You'll never know till it's over. So pretty it hurts. Just beware of the thorns. You got a glimpse.
Hey guys, it's been a few days since I last uploaded a video. I haven't been feeling it. I've been very busy as always, and the thing is, yeah, it's like there's nothing to shoot these days. There's nothing to especially here in Melbourne, there's nothing to like capture. There's nothing, no places to go because you're locked up at home. Today's the 1st of October, and yeah, I'm still at home. It just feels much better because I've just accomplished 2 to 3 of my assessments, which is making me a bit relaxed today. But tomorrow is going to be like another day, or later is going to be another day of pounding on the keyboards and doing everything. So that's the reason, that's my excuse of not uploading any videos. But yeah, I just want to tell you that the other day I was trying to do some videos, also some b-rolls and some cinematic stuff just for fun about my skateboard. I tried to change the deck of my skateboard. I have my electric skateboard with this short deck. I changed it to a longer one because a lot of YouTubers use a long one. I don't want long. I don't want to be like, I don't want to be branded as a YouTuber who goes on electric skateboards, but I enjoy riding them. I don't skate, but I enjoy them. So I changed it to a longer deck, and what happened was when I rode it, I didn't like the long deck. It was too high up there, and then it's good that it flexes because it's gonna eat out all the bumps, but I don't feel stable and I don't feel mobile with it. Carrying it is such a pain. It's long and heavy. So I went back to my old skateboard, the shorter size. I'll show you a sample of what I've accomplished. The sun keeps on changing, so it's kind of weird in my face, but yeah, I'll show you what I've accomplished. Some quick b-rolls that I've made, but yeah, other than that, there's nothing going on new. I just hope this lockdown is going to be done and over with, and now we can go out and the sun's out again. We can go out and just have fun. Like, yeah, I've heard we're allowed to do hikes, but we still have the 5-kilometer radius. I might go near Dandenongs. It's a bit closer to us, but yeah, it's not it. And I understand because the virus is still out there, and nobody's safe yet, and we might not know. We might have the 3rd wave. We already have the freaking 2nd wave. But yeah, I hope everybody's doing fine, and I hope everybody's like doing good. It's the hard times, but we've just have to roll with it. Anyway, just keep updating you and stuff, and also I'm trying to, if I have time, I want to put up my have 2 travel videos who are still stuck in editing. I still have my Perth video, which was on the first day. I was editing the first day, and I also have the first travel vlog that I made when we went to, no, it's not first, it's the first Queenstown trip that we've done. And yeah, it's one of those vlogs wherein I was a total newbie. I don't know how to film. I was bringing a Canon 70D with using the standard profile. When I edit, I'm editing it now, I'm struggling with the colors. All the blacks are crushed, but yeah, I'll try to get it done. Not sure when, but yeah, again, I have 2 travel videos, and both of them are like noob travel videos wherein I still don't have idea of what I was doing. All of these I'm doing here on YouTube is just experimental. I didn't study this for life, but I just enjoy doing it. So yeah, I'm looking at my old videos. That was from around 2017, I reckon, so which was around 3 years ago. And I can see myself not shooting a lot of clips, and whenever I shoot clips, and the colors are so bad. But yeah, I still want to get them up. It's nice to see what you have achieved and what you have learned all throughout this thing that I'm doing. Anyway, that's it for now, guys, and I'll just show you a bit of clips of what the skateboard thing, and maybe some clips of the travel videos that I made. I think I've teased them before, but yeah. And it's not also, I'm not like trying to get them up to get all the views and like, oh, his travel is so awesome. No, I just want to put up a diary. That's it. Simple as that. So yeah. And as much as I want to ask you to subscribe, no, just enjoy the content. More satisfied with people enjoying my content, commenting on it, and everything else. Don't have to subscribe. It would be better if you subscribe, but I, from the very start, I didn't really want to say those words. Anyway, that's it for now. I'm just gonna enjoy the sun. I guess. Yeah, it's gonna be warm. And also, oh, one more thing. Today's the 1st of October 2020, and it'll be on the weekend. It's gonna be 26, 27. If you're from the Philippines, it's not that warm, but in here it's like summer fun. So I'm pretty scared people are gonna go out and like forget social distancing. Anyway, I can see in my monitor that I've gone 6 minutes recording. I'm gonna chop this one out, but yeah, it's quite long. So I'll see you then. Bye, guys. Oh, one more last thing. I'm trying to change my setup because this is more on the techie side. I'm trying to change my setup. I'm trying to sell my A6600 and the Sigma 16 1.4. Though I'm not using the Sigma now. I'm using the Tamron 2875. I'm trying to change my setup for vlogging and traveling. So if you guys know of anybody who's looking for a camera, or if you're interested in getting a camera, please let me know. I might give you a good deal or something for this camera. I'm trying to get this out. Yeah, trying to like cut down on gears. Okay, yeah, that's it. And also be good boys and girls that don't follow what others are doing. Do social distancing out there, okay? Be safe, guys. It's just the real thing. Bye.
Mind is drifting, and thoughts are creeping.